All right, guys, welcome back. I've been on a hiatus, but I'm here and I have 6-time PWBA champion, Steph Johnson.
Woo woo!
And we're gonna duke it out here at Plano Super Bowl.
In my house, by the way.
So we have 5 of the same bowling balls. We're gonna do a race to 5 strikes, and however many that first person gets over the next one, they get bonus pins for a 1-game match, also throwing those 5 bowling balls. I hope it's me. We're all rooting for me in the comments, right? Right?
Wrong.
Right, okay, let's get
Wrong.
it. We can just do the order that we have them on the thing.
Yeah. So we got the Deep Ocean Vibe.
We'll do the Ocean Vibe first. And since you're the guest, you clearly get to go first.
I'm the guest.
You're the guest of the channel. Low flat 10 to start off. What do you say?
Anything's possible.
What do you say?
Anything's possible, Keven. Oh, help me. Oh! He didn't say it had to be pretty. It just had to fall down.
How does that strike already? I almost got what I asked for.
That was almost like a bucket, man.
You got that good bowler touch. I'll be honest, I don't know where to stand on any of these.
We haven't been bowling for like 10 minutes, so that hasn't helped either.
Well, for you, it's second nature. For me, I really got to know everything going on. How bad is that?
You want to talk some smack?
How bad is that?
Shoot.
I deserve that. I'm a good person.
Okay.
I'm a good person.
Moving on.
1-1.
Warning alerts up next. One of the latest and greatest from Brunswick.
I like this ball a lot.
Oh, that's got a chance.
Hook a little.
Oh. I think the 5 was the last to fall. Can we run that back?
Look, I know that like you're really good and you hit the pocket a lot, but those are the ones I need to not strike because eventually you're gonna go flush and then you won't miss.
No, there's gonna be a wrap 10 in here. Mark my words.
Okay.
Calling it.
I am marking your words on that because I need them. Just push a little. Well, hold on. Hold on.
What do you mean, hold on?
This is house bowling YouTube rules. I get to shoot this first strike.
Now we're making up rules as we go?
That is the house bowling rules.
Who made that rule up? Packy?
Years ago.
Come on.
It literally has
Packy
been.
ain't here. Those rules don't apply.
He's here right here.
All right.
He's here in my heart.
Whatever.
And in spirit. So
it ain't gonna matter.
I can't even shoot this with this ball anyway, so it doesn't matter.
That just means he's gonna bear it.
Not even close. Shucks.
I would say A for effort, but probably not.
You're up a bowling ball on me right now. I just need it 1 miss so then I can come back with it.
This is the prettiest ball we got. Oh no.
That's the hit I'm looking for.
Well, you got it. Are you happy?
I did, I am.
Little flat 10.
I am happy. Are you happy?
Still better than you.
Are you happy? I'm gonna move.
I think you should move off my shot.
I didn't,
just a little bit.
Off yours?
Yeah.
So if I hooked early for you, it really hooks early for me.
For sure.
Okay.
Wait a second, that was not the fallout, so I automatically...
No, I'm still a ball behind. You gotta go until you strike with it.
What? Come on,
You
man.
have to
I thought
strike
we're
with all
ball
5.
for ball.
No, you have to strike with all bowling balls.
I am really consistent.
Well, we already knew that.
I'm just proving it.
And not me.
More so.
I've done a little bit of everything already. Okay, so if it's flat 10ing for you, what's my adjustment?
At least 6 boards left. I don't know.
I think you're trying to
6
sabotage
boards
me.
left. It sounds good to me.
I think she's trying to sabotage me. Hook just a little,
It thought about standing,
but it didn't.
but it didn't. You are correct. Come on, man. I still got to throw this ball.
I'm now up a bowling ball.
Sabotage. He put these balls in order. He knew.
They talk about how clutch you are in your comeback world.
So what's my adjustment, Keven? I flat 10 twice.
Well, do you
What
want
would
my
do?
actual answer?
Yeah.
If I was you and I was bowling a double turn with you, and you flat 10, I would tell you to just move 1 with your feet and throw it a hair slower.
Or
Just a little steeper.
You would tell me to switch balls. Come on.
No, because you got touch.
That's got a chance, man. Oh.
So intimidating. So intimidating up at the foul line. I need to lock in here. That's close. That one's close.
Can I say
Yeah,
I
you can.
just did.
We've got bleep sound effects. It's fine.
I'm on the Infinity Quest Pro now, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
I didn't know that these rules were so complicated for you.
Well, you did not write them down. I am the guest. So
I didn't write them down. That's too much work.
We'll do this again. Help me, help me.
Here's the thing though.
I know. If you strike, you win.
I
know my math. Okay.
I need those 10 bonus spins. I need them.
Shoot, Zero Mercy, solid for the win.
This is the tough one for me too on the house shot.
A tough one?
Give me my 10 bonus
That was
spins.
freaking
Let's
10
go to the score.
back, yo.
Let's go to the scores. Plug
Okay.
me in.
Okay, like double or nothing or something.
I'll give you your one shot, but if you miss, I get 20 pins. If you strike, we'll even. So it is double or nothing. We'll be even into the one game.
I'm taking
Will you
that
take the
chance.
bet?
Absolutely.
Okay. This is
Absolutely.
huge.
Listen.
20 pins in a one game match is humongous.
My ego can handle it if I lose. Yours?
No, I can too. I've lost too much in the last 2
I don't
years.
know.
I can totally handle it. Maybe this is the start of my comeback, beating you on YouTube.
Oh, you're welcome. Oh,
For
geez.
20 pins? That's fair. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, it's a one game roll off. Do we have to put this on
Okay, wait a second. You
Yeah,
pick
it's your
my
roll.
ball, I pick your ball.
every frame?
Okay.
You just have to throw a ball twice, obviously. It's 10 frames, 5 bowling balls. 5 times 2 is, say it with me, kids, 11.
10. Oh.
Okay, so you can, okay, I like that. You pick, I pick. Okay, cool.
All right, all right.
I want you to throw the Zero Mercy because it looked too good.
Remind me and everybody watching what we're doing.
It's
One
just
full game.
One full game. Spares included, which neither of us threw at.
Oh, we got to go get that ball
Neither
out.
of us threw at.
All right,
Which
all
is
right.
fine.
Oh, no.
Oh, that was right. I thought you were going to have to go get that spare ball right out the gate.
Who said oh no when she let it go?
Strike in the first frame.
This
Okay,
girl
what ball
did.
do you want me to throw in my first frame?
Let's go with this guy. Nice little fallout.
Is there any reasoning behind it, or it just was calling your name?
It's pretty.
It's pretty, okay. I forgot already where I stood with these balls. I don't even know what to
Okay.
tell it to do. No, I gotta go get a plastic ball? I always miss my first spare too.
Is that some reverse psychology BS? Because I'm calling you on that.
You think?
You were going to make this, no problem. In fact, I'm already putting it in my phone as a 9 spare.
9 spare?
Man. This is your comeback moment, man.
I am down early though, to you.
Yeah, I already took it out. 'cause
You're
I knew
on
you
a
were-
strike. You're on a strike, and I want you to not double. So we're gonna throw, actually no.
Oh, so you have options.
You're gonna throw the Infinity Quest. I want you
So there's
to
a
not
method
throw a
to his
double.
madness.
That's pretty good. That was pretty good.
It felt better off my hand, but
Yeah.
they just all fell down, so.
No, that one was a good one. Was it not a good shot?
It felt good off my hand.
I thought it was
didn't really
good.
like what it did, but it struck.
But I
so.
knew with the arrows, it was a well-executed ball maneuver. All right, what ball do you want me to throw now? I'm on a
Warning.
spare. You want me to throw my warning?
We'll do the warning.
Are you sure?
Listen,
Are you sure? I don't know if that's the right choice.
is it? Who knows? You're
Right
gonna have
choice.
some crazy messenger that's.
I might, just because you asked nicely right now. Crazy stuff 8.
Or just 10 back.
Just 10 back, yeah, it's tough. All right, you're working on a double, right? And I
Word.
can't have you having a 3-bagger.
All right.
So you gotta throw your warning.
Ha ha
And
ha.
I have my reasonings why. So you went big ball and then still bigger ball, and now I'm going to like much weaker ball of the 3. It's gonna change what your eyes are used to in 2 shots.
All right.
Really make you think.
Which is what I'm good at, but
Sounded good in my head.
that's right. Little right.
Oh, don't do it.
See, I adjusted off the shot I threw with that one before, because that's what good bowlers do.
Would you say that your rev rates, where is it stack up on tour for you? Is it higher, lower, is it in the middle?
Against the women,
That's
I'm
what
probably
saying,
par.
I'm saying the women. Like
I'm probably par.
women. You're in the middle?
I am not on the upper range.
It's just crazy how right you are currently playing. That blows my mind. All right, pick a ball for me. You're a silly little 3-bagger.
Let's vibe. Let's vibe.
Let's
man.
vibe out. I need a little help.
Okay, okay.
Let's throw your fallout.
You would say that.
What am I gonna tell you to throw the vibe, which is a similar ball shape to the ball you just ran the 8-9 over with?
You tell me whatever ball you want me to throw. Kate,
I mean, that's the rules. Eventually one's gotta hook too early because you're playing so far right, you know?
You're right. It will.
Like that one. You just got that good bowler ball roll. It just gets you there nicely.
It did pick up a lot earlier.
It did, but it laid there.
I got lucky, okay? Because going back to your question of my rev rate.
I don't think it's a rev rate thing. I think it's your ball roll. I think that's why you play so straight. You just have so much tilt.
It's
in
a
good
combo.
way.
It's a combo of it all.
In a good way.
Let's throw the fallout.
Okay.
Oh my, what's going on down there?
Have I thrown this one yet? I have once.
Shoot, I don't even know.
So once I throw this again, I'm done. Please
That
do
looks
the
good.
thing.
I call that at the arrows. That looks good.
I made an adjustment off the last one.
Because that's what good bowlers do.
There's only one ball you haven't thrown yet, the vibe. Throw your vibe. Can't throw my fallout anymore, so I'm done with that one.
Take
so I can
that
pull
off
the
the rack.
because we'll get confused for sure.
See
An
here.
impressive front four. Can you make it the front 5?
No problem. Infinity Quest.
Oh.
Let's do it.
All right, I gotta move a little bit. Surely I've broke them down a little.
Yeah, stay off my side though.
Well, I'm kind of already over there. So sorry in advance. I need so much help.
Oh, what the heck was that? That pin came. Are you paying people back there?
Yeah, he literally just showed up. Zero mercy again. Your last time with this ball. I think this is the best ball for you out of all these.
Zero mercy, solid baby. I do love this ball. Oh no.
That's your good ball. That one just goes through him. Oh my Lanta. We're really duking it out right now. How do we have one miss?
That guy.
Back to the vibe?
Back to the vibe.
When we do challenges like this, I underthink and overthink so much. I don't remember at all where I stood with this ball.
Like over here.
Yeah, well,
You're on my side.
Yeah, you're right.
I think you stood right there.
I almost shouldn't have stood right there.
I think that I told you where to stand.
Thank you, I appreciate that, Coach. I need to get you off your game. You gotta throw this warning.
Warning.
I think this is the only one that you're gonna have a chance to miss with. Just a little too weak.
I barely got the 5 out.
A little too weak. You got not enough diff in that ball where all the other ones, they are hooking.
We're gonna adjust for that and see what happens.
I think whatever you're doing right now, you're doing just fine, as you have 6 in a row.
That's got a chance. Oh, baby. Oh.
That's not the miss I needed out of that ball. I needed, that one can't trip the 4-pin.
I tripped that 4 like it was my beep.
All right, pick a ball. I'm still not out of this. I'm only down 10.
I know.
Which, by the way,
I didn't say anything.
Which, by the way, if I didn't give you that negotiation, we would have been tied right now.
Listen.
Funny how that works.
That's the risk we take. Let's go with your 0.
Please hook a little. Please push a little.
Ooh.
I told it to hook.
You told it to hook?
Yeah.
Yikes. Not that much. Maybe you told it to hook in the wrong spot.
I told it to hook a little bit because I thought it was going to get lazy down lane. League bowler style, hooking at it. I really need a miss quick from you. I got 269 left to your 300. I want you to throw the vibe.
Oh no. I really thought that was going high. I'm being dead serious. I moved right, and it was 10 back.
You said, oh no, off your hand so quick.
I did.
And it literally
Did you not
was
think that was gonna
perfect.
hook?
I really thought that was just a good shot.
That's because you actually saw it strike. Off my hand, I'm like, that's high.
Take my ball. I need a miracle now.
Here we are. What are we gonna do here, Kevin? Are we gonna strike?
Well, I literally need to.
Those pins had zero chance.
Yeah, I like that ball.
That ball is absolute
That ball is money for me.
money for you.
What ball do I think you can't strike out in the 10th with? I honestly think it doesn't matter at this point.
We know where this is gonna go, so I'm gonna go ahead and just throw this one.
Okay.
Because I already know.
Yeah, that's fair. I really don't think it matters. I think you're just locked in. I honestly want to see a 300 with 5 different bowling balls. That'd be cool. Push.
That had no chance.
And just like that, Big Papa's back in the game. How good are you at the 3, 6, 10? Not good?
If I had to pick a spare to shoot for my life, dependent on it, it would not
be this one. Yeah.
Absolutely not. The little love
really
tappy there. Listen, that 7 count could haunt me.
I am gonna move 2 and 1. I need to make a better shot though. Like that. That's a better shot.
Oh!
And it's still 6 spin. It was always gonna be that ball that got me.
So you're saying there's a chance?
It was always gonna be the strong ball on the house shot that got me.
I am throwing the fallout in the 10.
I
haven't had the best track
problem is
record
I only
with
have
it.
49 left. You just have to make a mark here. I need one of those 5, 7, 10ers. When was the last time you left one of those?
Ooh, it's been a hot minute.
Yeah.
But I have left them.
No better time than now.
That 5, 7, 10 had no chance, by the way. Thank you. Thank you.
Honestly,
I just beat him at my house.
Honestly, the fact that you're bowling 270 with 5 different bowling balls, like, I'm not even mad about it. Like, what are you supposed to do there? You missed one.
Man, I don't know. And honestly, for those watching, we have no idea how many people have been on this pair.
No. Bowling 270, why couldn't you at least just shot 300? That would have been sick.
Because you jinxed
First time
me,
on the
yo.
house channel and you pop off
The
with 300?
first time you said that is when I missed. You mentioned it,
Yeah, but you
I
were
missed.
thinking it.
I tried to help it. Meow.
I'm not even mad about it. I'm not even mad about it. Even if I would have got my 10 pins that I tried to negotiate, I still would have lost.
Dude, that was so much fun. Isn't winning fun?
It's probably because the right side lane's easy. Let me try.
Oh, okay. Oh my God.
I didn't wipe off the ball. I almost threw it backwards.
Now are you gonna shoot this left-handed and pick it up?
No.
Look at that, look at that. Look at those colors. Man.
You win. She's better than me anyway, so it was always meant to be. So if you don't already, go follow Steph on everything. You have a
That's
YouTube
right.
channel?
I do. I mostly just post all my like little bowling ball reviews, but give me a follow.
You also won Ambassador of the Year this year,
Ooh.
right? Is that what it was?
Dude, that's probably gonna be
That's
one of my
awesome.
most proud moments.
That is legitimately awesome.
Like out of anybody they could have picked.
Yeah.
They picked me.
Go follow her. She's fun. She's good at bowling. She's all the things that bowling needs. And I'll get my rematch.
Deal.
Okay. Bye.